Mommy. Mommy, I'm tired with this. Okay, I do this.
What? What's going on? What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay.
Mommy.
Yes?
In order to be in school.
You have to go to school?
Yeah.
What do you need for school?
I need pencil and bags and knapsack.
You need pencils and what? A knapsack?
Yeah,
Wow.
and my computer.
You need a computer?
Yeah.
What else? What else do you need? What do you need for school?
Don't look in the CV ready. Okay, no, so can't see. Now do this. Do it.
What do you need for school? Tell me what you need for school.